there have others levels of flexibility. I think it's very cool for you because in the one training you can choose your level. So this level will be beginner, this level will middle, and the last will be advanced. Today I want to teach you how you can sit to other splits, and today we'll right split. So do this position. Yes. If you beginner, you just sit. If you middle or advanced, take please yoga blocks and put on your heel. Yes. Middle one and advanced will two. So, right. And go. Straight your back, please. Breathe in and breathe out. Go down. Don't do this fast. Very carefully and with breathing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And do little jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And just wait, feel your strength. In the trainings, I always press my friends. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, cool. Carefully get up, and the next exercise will be this. Turn around, please. Up your left hand. Yes, your right will be. Please put on the knee and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Do little jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Try to catch your fingers. Yes, and press yourself. I also will help. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, cool. So this exercise we're hitting exercise for beginner training. Do this exercise 3 times. Don't forget about another.